Hello and welcome to this video on how to manage time in a proper way. It's Shahjad, with you till the end of the video. Time management is the process of planning and controlling time spent on tasks to increase efficiency. It can help you reduce stress, increase productivity, and achieve your goals. In this video, I will share with you 6 strategies to better manage your time. 1. Conduct a time audit. Track how you spend your time for a week and identify where you waste time, where you can improve, and where you excel. Use a digital calendar, a paper planner, or an app to record your activities and analyze your patterns. Prioritize your tasks and allocate your time accordingly. Show a screenshot of a digital calendar with different colors for different activities. 2. Use a daily schedule. Plan your day in advance and set specific times for each task. Use a digital calendar or a paper planner to create your schedule and set reminders for yourself. Include breaks and interruptions in your schedule, as they are necessary for your well-being. Show a screenshot of a daily schedule with tasks, times, and reminders. 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. Break down your work into 25-minute intervals, separated by 5-minute breaks. Each interval is called a Pomodoro, and after 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. Focus on one task at a time, avoid distractions, and maintain your energy level. Show an animation of a tomato-shaped timer ticking down from 25 minutes to 0. 4. Identify your peak hours. Know when you are most productive and alert during the day and schedule your most important or challenging tasks for those times. For example, if you are a morning person, tackle your high-priority tasks in the morning and leave the less urgent or easier tasks for later. Show a graph of energy levels throughout the day. 5. Delegate or outsource tasks. Assign some of your tasks to other people who can do them better or faster than you, or hire someone to do them for you. Free up your time for more important or enjoyable activities and reduce your workload and stress level. Show an image of 2 people shaking hands. 6. Review and reflect on your time management. Evaluate how well you managed your time at the end of each day, week, or month and identify what worked well and what didn't. Ask for feedback from others or use tools like TimeCamp to track and analyze your time usage. Learn from your mistakes, celebrate your achievements, and improve your time management skills over time. Show an image of a journal or a dashboard. These are some of the best time management tips that can help you manage your time in a proper way. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye hand waving for today.